Everyone, welcome to the class. Now we're having mathematics today, and under mathematics we are looking at simple equations. Now simple equation, in solving simple equation, that depends on the type of question given to you. If it is questions where you are asked to look for x, all what you need to do here is to collect your like terms, and you should have known your sign rules. The sign rule says that when plus cross equals to, it becomes minus, and when minus cross equals to, it becomes plus. That is for plus and minus. And if it is equations that are involving fractions, all what you need to do is to look for your LCM first. So let's look at some examples. Okay, on the board now we have 5 examples to look at. We'll start from simple equations and we'll move to a bit complex equations, and we'll break it down. You'll see at the end of the day that every of this equation is very simple. So number 1, we have x plus 5 equals to 8. Solution, let's solve this. X plus 5 equals to 8. The first thing you do here is to collect your like terms, okay? Now, this is an alphabet and this is number. That is what we mean by collect like terms. Alphabet should stay alone and let number go and marry number. Now, I told you initially that when plus cross equals to, it becomes minus. So we have 8. This number will come to this side, minus 5. Okay? So x equals to 8 minus 5 will give us 3. So that's the value of x here. If you want to check if you are correct or not, check. Put 3 where the question is x plus 5 equals to 8. So put 3 where you have x. 3 plus 5 will give us what? 8. So that means we are correct. The second example, we have 5x minus 10 equals to 15x minus 60. All what we need to do first here also is to collect our like terms. Collect like terms. Okay, so 5x minus 10, we are collecting like terms. Let 5x marry 5, let x marry x. Any number that is standing on its own without any sign is having positive sign naturally. So this one is having plus. Plus, once the cross equals to, it becomes minus 15x equals to, this will come to this side, minus 60 minus plus 10. Okay, so this and this will give us minus 10x equals to, this and this will give us minus 50. We divide both sides by minus 10. So we have minus 10x over minus 10 equals to minus 50 over minus 10. This will cancel this, leaving on the x. Minus will cancel minus. 10 here, 1. 10 here will give us 5. So the value of x here is 5. Let's check if we are correct or not. 5, put 5 here, minus 10 equals to 15. Put 5 here, minus 60. Okay, 5 times 5 will give us 25. Minus 10 equals to 5 times, this is supposed to be 5. 5 times 15 is 75 minus 60. This minus this will give us 15 equals to this minus this is 15. You can see that our equation is balanced now. Okay. Okay, see now we have x minus 15 over 4 minus 2 equals to 15. Change this to fraction, that will be x over 15 over 4 minus 2 over 1 equals to 5 over 1. Find your LCM. LCM of 4 and 1 is 4. 4 here will give us 1. 1 times this will give us x minus 15 minus 1 here is 4 times 4, that's 8, equals to 5 over 1. The next thing we do is to cross multiply. So 1 times everything here will give us x minus 15 minus 8 equals to 4 times every times 5 will give us 20. the next thing we'll do is to collect like terms. Okay, so let x go for x and let numbers go for numbers. This and this is 23. Okay, this is minus 23. So minus 23 to this side will be plus. Remember, when minus cross equals to becomes plus. So that will be equals to 20 plus 23. So x equals to 43. That's our answer. And the next question, D, we have 2x over 5 equals to 8 minus x over 10. We'll go straight and cross multiply. 10 times 2x will give us 20x equals to 5 times 8 will give us 40 minus 5 times x, 5x. Collect like terms. Okay, 20x, this will come here, minus becomes plus because that's cross equals to 5x equals to 40. This plus this will give us 25x equals to 40. We divide both sides by 25 because we are looking for x, not 25x. So let's go now. 25x over 25 equals to 40 over 25. So 25 we eliminate 25, x equals to 40 over 25. We reduce this to the lowest term. This 5 here will give us 8, 5 here will give us 5. So our final answer equals to 8 over 5. Reduce this to the lowest term. That will be one whole number, 3 over 5. That is the value of x. So the last example now, we have 3 over y plus 2 equals to 5 over 2y minus 1. We cross multiply. Okay, so 5 times this will give us 5y plus 5 times 2 will give us 10 equals to 3 times 2y will give us 6y minus 3 times 1, 3. We'll collect our like times. So this will be 5y, bring this to this side, minus 6y equals to, take this to this side, minus 3 minus 10. Okay, this minus this will give us minus y. We can't write minus 1y. Okay, so minus y equals to this minus this will give us minus 13. Okay, divide both sides by minus 1. So we have minus y over minus 1. This will cancel this, equals to minus 13 over minus 1. This will cancel this. So our y equals to 13. That's our final answer. Thank you. Okay, this is the exercise you are going to do for me now. Number 1, you have to solve y plus 11 equals to 12. Number 2, 3x plus 3 over 3 equals to 3. Number 3, 5x minus 10 minus 3x equals to 2x plus 20 minus 3x. D, 2y minus 3 over 4 plus y minus 1 over 8 equals to 1. And the last one, 2 over 5x minus 7 equals to 4 over 4x plus 1. You are going to do this work by 3 or 4. I will upload the correction. So you do it, you mark it yourself, and after marking it, snap it and send it to me. If you like, deceive yourself, wait for my correction before you do and submit. If you do, you are not helping yourself if you do that, because I told you at the end of the month, I will give you tests, and those tests, I will mark your test by myself. So from there, I will judge if you are following or not. If you have any question, my number is there. Send your question to me, and I will answer your questions. Bye. God bless you.